learn about this 40. Alright, I'm back. I've just had 2 weeks off in Fiji, so I've had a bit of a break from the cruiser. Fiji! Amazing spot. A hell of a lot warmer than what it is here in Bathurst. So, just before I left, I started stripping out this new monster called the wiring. As I've told you before, the wiring in this is from the 60 series, and there is so much wiring through this that is not required. It's an absolutely dog's breakfast. So I'm going to keep on working through this, just get this entire wiring loom out. The other thing I've got to do, they put the 60 series steering column surround on, which has this mighty big plug and has the wipers and the blinkers and the lights all on here. I hate that, as I've told you before. I don't like that, so I want to change all that. So take it back to the original, put all the dash switches on. So I'm going to continue to try to rip all this wiring out and lay the whole wiring loom out and clean it all up. It's going to be its own little monster, so we'll start doing that, and then we can get this cab off and get it sandblasted and look at getting that painted as well. Alright, let's just show you a bit of the wiring here. So this is some of the 60 series wiring. There is absolutely, I don't know if you can see in there, wires just everywhere. So I've started to label everything that's not required or the redundant stuff with a red piece of tape, and there's a lot of red tape. So everything with red tape is redundant. And then on top of that, there's just cut wires. Who knows what they actually went to, but obviously they're redundant. You go up under here, it is just an absolute mess. There's bits taped, spliced, cut, more red tape as you see. And that's just in this little bit of a dash. Oh, hang on, there's some white bits. The white ones are required, and I'll label them as we go. So again, more red tape, more redundant wiring. But if I label everything, that way I can clean it all up. I'll lay the whole wiring loom out, sort of this wiring out, and basically make a new wiring loom for my 40 series. So remove all this, take all this back to the 40, remove it, has the blinkers, lights, hazard lights, everything on the steering. I don't like that. I want to take it all back, put all the switches back on the dash. It's a big job. I'll try and change the fuse box over to a splayed one. Right, so let's remove this entire steering column. That'll make it a lot easier for us to get all the wiring out under here. Gives a bit more room. So let's strip this out. But so we've got two 12mm bolts. And back here, some 10mm bolts. You see that there? That's not going to be there. We're going to neaten all that up too. We have something weird going on under the accelerator pedal here. That's not right. But anyway. Around everything that's this wiring loom out. Alright, pull the accelerator cable out. Righto, so I've figured this out now. Pull it forward and lift up. There's these two clips at the bottom, so holding it back. Okay. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious me. This is just a mess. Woo! Yeah, we got lots of stuff going on here. Anyway, continue. I can do a bit of a clean up. Hopefully we can simplify this. Alright, so there it is. There's our 60 series wiring loom. And I see more red tape than I do white tape. That's done. Alright, so we're going to try and pull out this one here, the switch for the fan. Now underneath, but there's a tiny little Phillips head screwdriver to get it out. The problem is, it's been there for so long, it doesn't want to move. This does not feel good at all. Unscrew this. Maybe I can turn it around and spray a bit in the top there and let it soak down into it maybe. Just try a bigger screwdriver. Yes, I think I've got that. Oh, thank goodness for that. Oh, there we go, unscrew now. Oh, that's sensational. But there's a little screw, so that's good, we've saved that. That should be able to unscrew the rest of this, but that's excellent. We can give that a bit of a clean up and restore that. Alright, so there's just a nut on the back of this. So there's your nut. Pull out now, is we'll unbolt the fan. So some 12mm bolts at the top, 12mm at the bottom. And remove that, we should be able to clip that little cable out, and then we can remove the fresh pull.